Welcome to Legends on Wheels, the channel where classic cars turn into timeless stories. Picture this. It's 1970. The streets of America are alive with the roar of engines. Gas is cheap, speed is everything, and muscle cars are the kings of the road. But among all the beasts of that era, one stood taller, louder, and meaner than the rest. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454, the car that ruled the streets. The late 60s and early 70s were the golden age of muscle cars. Every automaker was locked in a horsepower war. Dodge, Ford, Pontiac, they were all pushing limits. But Chevy went all in with the Chevelle SS 454. Under the hood was the LS6 engine, a massive 454 cubic inch V8, officially rated at 450 horsepower, but in reality, closer to 500. And torque, an earth-shaking 500 pound-feet. To put it simply, this car was a rocket on wheels. A quarter mile in just over 13 seconds, faster than almost anything else you'd meet at a stoplight. Mustangs, Corvettes, even some European exotics didn't stand a chance. If you pulled up next to a Chevelle SS 454, chances were you were about to eat its dust. But it wasn't just the speed. The Chevelle had a look that matched its bite. Wide, muscular lines, a blacked-out grille that dared you to step up, and that famous cowl induction hood. Floor the gas, and a flap opened to suck in air, unleashing a roar like a beast breaking chains. People didn't just hear it, they felt it in their chest. And that sound, that deep, thunderous rumble, was enough to make heads turn before it even came into view. On the street, it meant one thing: respect. The beauty of the Chevelle was also its disguise. At first glance, it looked like a simple mid-sized Chevy coupe. Not too flashy, not too wild, but that was its secret weapon. To the untrained eye, it was just another car, until it left you behind in a cloud of smoke. It was also practical. Big interior, comfortable ride, and you could get it as a coupe, sedan, or convertible. By day, it could haul the family. By night, it ruled the drag strip. That dual personality made it a favorite for gearheads who wanted the best of both worlds. Of course, all legends face their downfall. Insurance companies hated muscle cars, and the Chevelle was at the top of their list. Premiums skyrocketed. Then came the fuel crisis and new regulations. By the mid-70s, raw power like this was gone. But by then, the Chevelle's place in history was already sealed. Today, it's a collector's dream. At auctions, clean models can sell for hundreds of thousands. And at car meets, whenever one rumbles in, all eyes turn. It's not just a car. Hollywood it's a symbol of an era when power came first and everything else came second. From movies to video games, the Chevelle remains a symbol of raw American muscle. Even people who weren't alive in the 70s know the sound of that engine. So, if you had the chance to take one car for a ride, would you choose the Chevelle SS 454 or another legend like the Dodge Charger or Plymouth Hemi Cuda? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to see where you stand. And if this ride brought the roar of the 70s to life for you, hit that like button. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 454 wasn't just another car. It was the muscle car, the one that ruled the streets, scared its rivals, and left its mark in smoke and rubber. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Legends on Wheels, where every car has a story, and every story is a legend.